This is Snow's original teeth whitening kit. It's an all-in-one kit that delivers professional level whitening at home, erasing stains with virtually zero sensitivity. Each kit comes with our comfortable LED mouthpiece, our user guide, a shade guide to track your progress, and the whitening wands. Both the silver and gold wands will whiten your teeth. However, the gold extra strength wand will lift stains quicker as it is our strongest formula. The silver wand is our regular strength formula, and both formulas are designed for sensitive teeth. We recommend starting with the gold wand for faster results. The mouthpiece has multiple adapters: Apple Lightning, USB-C, USB, and micro USB. It's compatible with iPhone, Android phones, and personal computers. The LED light will automatically turn on once plugged into your device. Snow uses blue light technology to accelerate the whitening process using LEDs, not UV light. We recommend using the kit at night before going to bed to achieve the best results. First, brush your teeth. Next, apply the serum. Remove the cap and twist the base of the wand. For new wands, it will take some extra twisting to prime the wand, but this is normal. Apply a thin, even layer of serum to the top and bottom teeth. Then, remove the mouthpiece from the protective case. Connect the adapter to your device and insert the mouthpiece. We recommend whitening for 9 to 30 minutes for the best results. Excess saliva may build up during your whitening treatment, which is normal but uncomfortable for some people. Simply remove the mouthpiece, spit, and then reinsert your mouthpiece to continue whitening. When finished, remove the mouthpiece and rinse your mouth with water. We recommend starting with the 21-day challenge. Whiten for 9 minutes a day for 21 days for a smile makeover. To clean your mouthpiece, rinse with warm water, towel dry, and place back in the protective case.